Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14 Ultra and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So before we'll start, a quick disclaimer: I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box, because it will be transferred to our website where you can find the secret codes which I'll present you today with some additional information about them. But not only, you can also check some other tutorials just by tapping on this three-dots icon. As you can see, we've got much more things than only the secret code, so I highly recommend. So let's start with opening the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let's start with the shortest code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code you are provided with both the main numbers and the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code which will open the testing mode. It is *##4636 ###. And there we've got the testing mode, phone information and Wi-Fi info. The phone information is divided between two different SIM cards. So let me try to tap on this first one, and as you can see, we can check some information just like the car network, data service, voice service, signal strength, and etc. Of course, to be able to check those details, you will have to enter your SIM card. I do not have one, that is why I cannot check the information. What is more, we can run ping test here. There we've got the results, and after tapping on the three-dots icon, we can enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. We can also open Wi-Fi information. It is divided into the API configuration and the status. So let me just tap, for example, on this one. We can refresh the stats, and here we've got the information just like the network state, SSID or network ID. We can also run ping test here. And that's all for this code. So let me go back to the dialer and let's enter another technical code which will open the diagnostic info. It is *## 426 ###. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics. So here we've got the server, host, port, time connected. We can also tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three-dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on this option and tap on the status again. And as you can see, we've got more info, just like the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. So let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the calendar information. It is *## 225 ###. And here we are in the calendar info. So here we've got the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So let's go back and let me show you another code which will show you the section with the charging and battery information. And the code for it is *## 6485 ###. And as I said, we are in the charging and battery information, so basically you can check the exact level of the battery, whether it is charging or not, the condition of the battery, etc. Let's go back and let me show you the last code, which will open the kind of about phone section. It is *## 40s ###. And as I said, we are in the device info, so here we can check the hardware version, PRL version, etc. So a lot of technical info. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.